Guys, so today on Weekly Art Inspirations, I am going to be doing, again, this is one of those videos, I'm not sure if it's going to be a bonus video or if it's going to be a normal weekly video, has yet to be decided. With that said though, today's video is going to be of a painting that I did once again with a friend of mine. We did, both of us, painting a scene from the world that we're both writing together. And in it, one of the things that was really fun about it is I was trying to hopefully show the whole painting with like a time-lapse video. Didn't work out that way. So for this video, we're just gonna kind of get right into it. I'll have some, background on what I was doing, some of the process, and, with that said, let's get right into it, guys. So what was really fun about this painting was I just kind of got to run and play and do kind of what I wanted with it. But in this story that we're creating, there is a shadow forest that is, just really creepy and dark and misted, and that's what I really tried to create here, is something that had really kind of almost the light and the color taken from it. There's blues and there's a little green and white, but it's not really colorful. It doesn't have flowers, it doesn't have, different shades of blue that are bright and that the sun is coming through the trees. And I just tried to create really that dim, dark forest that's really brooding and there. And I have to admit that I think that this is one of the best pieces I've ever done of scenery, and it's always fun to do something like this. I fully admit that as an artist, I get really discouraged sometimes when I do something really well, because I look at it and I go, crap, what if this is the best I've ever done and I'm never going to be able to do anything as good again? And, that's the kind of thing that if you let that stop you, you'll stop working on art, or you'll stop doing something because you're afraid you'll never be as good again. And the saddest thing about that is you have to push through it, because pushing past that, you continue to create better art and you'll continue to get better, and at some point you'll find another piece of art that you look at and you go, oh my gosh, I'm never going to get better than this, and you do. And it's just an incredible thing of the process of doing this, the fact that you can get to a point where you're just creating, you're doing incredible things like that. I would also say one of the things that I really loved about this was, doing all of the different color and lighting. And I just went off of one reference image for this. I added in some different details, but from the Bob Ross painting video that I got to do with my friend, I really feel like I learned some different techniques from Bob Ross. There was a lot that I kind of let go of and kind of just had more fun. It really is true that I think Bob Ross's work, you just learn how to be kind of zen about your art, and you can do so much more when you let yourself be free of the confines and the limits that you put on yourself. So yeah, anyways guys, I don't know, I just really love doing this piece. Okay guys, so it cuts off kind of quickly. That is actually not the completed painting. This is the full completed painting. I'll bring it in a little bit closer so you can see. So what happened was my iPad, it's getting a little bright. Sorry about that guys. I'll bring it in closer so you just have this to see. So there is in the painting, in our story that we're writing, my friend Megan Johnson and me are writing, there is this crazy cool monster that's made of darkness. And over here in the very corner, if I can get in close enough to actually, probably not, this is my character from the story. I just wanted to show kind of the bleak essence of the forest and everything in there. So this is honestly the finished work. You guys got to see it to right about here. I did add some in the water, like a sparkle. But with that said guys, I hope you enjoyed just seeing a little bit of how this painting got done. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like down below, a comment if you have something to say. I'd love to hear it. If you have any suggestions for new videos, anything else you'd like to see, also leave that down there. And if you'd like to subscribe, I'd be super grateful. I love adding new people to our Art Sprites family. And, if you want to watch some more videos, they're over here. Guys, stay inspired, stay awesome, stay amazing. Have a great week.